So in this video, I want to look at the security surrounding the remote start system. Now, one question we're always asked is, can somebody not just open the door and drive it away, or can somebody smash a window and drive it away? The simple answer is no. The only way you can drive this car away once it's been remote started is if you follow something called a takeover procedure. It's a 3-step process, and we'll tell you about it now. So let's get the car remote started. I'm going to use my optional long-range remote key fob, 2 presses. I prefer the long-range remote key fob. Well, one of the reasons is because it's long range, it's brilliant. And what happens now is I've pressed it to start, it's sent a signal to the car starts within 5 seconds, and then I'll get a signal back telling me it's remote started. That's really good if you can't see the car. There's also other options, like it opens up the boot and closes the boot, unlocks the car, locks the car, etc. So I just prefer the long range remote. Anyway, now that the car's started, in order to drive this car away, you need to follow the takeover procedure exactly. If you don't, the car will just cut out. So, like I said before, it's a 3-step process. The first step is, in simple terms, unlocking the doors. So I'll unlock the doors. So that's it, the door's now unlocked. I've now got 45 seconds to open the door. If I don't open the door within 45 seconds, then the car will either cut out or relock, however your car's configured. So I'll go and open the door. Okay, so now that I've opened the door in 45 seconds, the clock's now being reset, and I've got another 45 seconds in which to get into the vehicle and put my foot on the brake, like I'll do now. Now that's it. Now that I've put my foot on the brake, that's the takeover procedure completed. The beep's just telling me takeover procedure completed. I can put it into drive, handbrake off, and I can drive it away. It's one of the fantastic things about the remote start system is the takeover procedure. It's designed to be very simple, yet also extremely secure. So just to recap on what that procedure actually is. Firstly, once the car's been remote started, firstly you have to unlock the car. Secondly, after you've unlocked the car, you've got 45 seconds in which to open one of the doors, and then a further 45 seconds to get in the car and put your foot on the brake. If you don't meet that procedure, i.e. let's say you open the doors after 45 seconds, the car will cut out, and if you put your foot on the brake after 45 seconds of opening the doors, again, the vehicle will just cut out and it can't go anywhere. So that's why these remote start systems are really, really secure. When you actually order the system, you can extend that time from 45 seconds. You can change it to 1.5 minutes, for example. But me personally, I like it at 45 seconds, and it's good just in case I walk up to the car, open it, for example. Once it's been remote started, I walk up to the car, unlock it, open the door, put my bag in it, and then let's say I take a phone call and I forget about the car and I walk away, and somebody walks up to it because the engine's running. Presuming it's been after 45 seconds, the car will just cut out. So it's a really good process, nice and secure, basically means your car can't get stolen.